So this video is going to be focusing on weaving in our finished ends when we finished a brioche project. This is just a little swatch I've made up in 2-color brioche in the round. Brioche is considered a reversible fabric. The technical term, I suppose, would be the negative of each other, because these orange columns happen in between the aqua columns on the right side. And when it comes to weaving in ends, our ideal is to hide those away so that the fabric remains completely reversible. Our tendency as knitters is to hide away these ends on a wrong side, or on the wrong side of the work, but when you've got a reversible fabric, there really isn't a wrong side. So I'm going to show you a great way to hide your ends so that you don't have to see them and you can wear your fabric either way. So the aqua is right side out when you can see the vertical columns of knit stitches. And we actually do want to turn this inside out to work the aqua, because all of the slip-one yarn overs in aqua are done on the wrong side of the work. So if you pull your work apart, you can see we've got the slip-one yarn overs created here adjacent to the orange columns. So what we're going to do is, using our tapestry needle, we're going to pick up the slip-one yarn over running threads, if you will, that run immediately adjacent to that orange column and pull it through. Obviously you'll want to trim that, but when you wear the fabric, you don't see the aqua from the right side, and it kind of tucks itself away under that orange column. Now what we need to do when we have to weave in the end for the orange is actually work on the right side of the work. And this is very counterintuitive for most of us knitters, because the right side would indicate that you can see it and you don't want to have any ends. But our slip-one yarn overs for the orange are worked on the front side of the fabric. So we want to repeat the process. You can just put your working yarn through here to the right hand side, find a place where it's not going to be too noticeable. And then again with our tapestry needle, we're going to pick up under each slip-one yarn over without grabbing any of the aqua underneath it, and we're going to pull our needle through. And obviously you would trim this end, but you'll find that you don't really see the yarn there, and it's hidden on both sides of your work. So you've got a nice, clean, reversible fabric.